Hello everyone and welcome to another Python video. So in this video we're gonna create a Python program that generates images with AI. So as always, I create new folder, generate AI image, and name it this, and let's create a file here, main.py. Okay, let's start coding. Let me just check my OBS. Yeah, it's working. Okay, before that we should install PowerShell here. Pip install requests. So I have it, but you should install it if you don't have it on your system. And after that, let's just start coding here. So let me check the recording again. Yeah, it's working. Okay, first we're gonna import requests, and then we need random, then we need OS. As always, I'm gonna get the directory of the program, so I'm gonna name it script underline directory is equal to os.path directory name of os.path absolute path of the Python file that we are running. So we get the directory of the file. So then I'm gonna create a variable, name it prompt. Gonna ask user to input the prompt, enter your or describe your desired image, and it's the prompt that user input, and all the images have width, and width it should be equal to input. So I'm gonna get it from user, but there's something here we'll show you. I'm gonna put the default on 1080. If user doesn't enter anything, I'm gonna put it on 1080. So exactly the same for height. And we have width and height. If user doesn't input the width and height, it's gonna be 1080. User should just press the enter. I'm gonna create a set variable, random dot randoms from 0 to 1000. So we should create we should use the base URL here. So I'm gonna copy the URL because it's some kind of important here. I put the link in description, and then we create another variable here, put the f, use the base, then we're gonna do the prompt, and then we need to use seed, and width is gonna be width, and height, it's gonna be height. So then we're gonna fetch the image. We're gonna get the image. I'm gonna create a variable named response, and I'm gonna do the request that get URL. After that, we're gonna create the image path. It's equal to os.path dot join. We have a script directory here, and I'm gonna name it anything, img.jpg. So we have the path here, and we're gonna open the file and create the file. So with open image underline path as wb as a file. Whoa, sorry, SpongeBob. Okay, and I'm gonna write the image file f.write response.content. So we have the file now, and at the end I'm gonna print image saved at the image path. Okay, so it's done here, but let us just try to, it should be one actually here. Let's try to see what happens when I run it with Python. So describe your image. Trump younger, or younger President Trump. So 1080p, let's see what happens. Okay, we have the image here. Let's see. Okay, it's been created here. It's not younger, but yeah, it's kind of younger. You can give any prompt here. Let me remove it. Iran vs USA 1080p 1080 pixels, sorry. So let's see what happens. Okay, generated image. So this was our code for today, and I'm gonna put this link on description and the installation of the requests. Let's try a different type of promotions prompts, and to see what happens. So this website is for AI image, but I put the link in the description. You can connect it by Python, or you can kind of use the website. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.